Hi, I'm David at Pine Acres RV here early August at Pine Acres Exit 11, and we have a Cedar Creek front kitchen cottage just in. This is a 2022, very rare bird, a custom order for sure, and Cedar Creek, come on inside. Inside we have a nice king bed. We have windows on either side of the bed, and of course, like many trailers with the side slide, very easy to get in to make the bed. Cedar Creek are good that way. Shelves on either side, plugs on either side. Should you use a CPAP machine, that's perfect. All your doors are nice solid hardwood, and you got your full height in here. Your AC system is all inset into the ceiling. It's very quiet in here when the AC is going. Nice cabinetry all the way through, all soft close, and of course a hidden compartment here. TV above. It's almost a perfect room. Again, nice big closet, pre-plumbed for washer dryer, but of course there's not one been put in this one yet. Come on through Cedar Creek. Even the door jambs are all real wood, not a stapled plastic like you'll see in many trailers. And fantastic big bedroom, 2 vanity, single piece fiberglass tub. Of course, you have a porcelain toilet as well. And lots of room to change in here. Lots of room for linens. And it just turns into an even better trailer out here. This island is just solely a prep island. Lots of storage in it. Your central vac is in the island. Your 4-burner residential gas with a huge oven, and your entertainment system directly opposite your theater seats. Couch over here with a high bed in it, should you need one, and lots of recessed lighting everywhere. It's so nice in here. Pantry with your pull-out and your soft close, and I even see plugs back there, so you can literally have a toaster on there and quickly pack it away. Up front, again, 2 nice deep sinks and a great countertop. Plugs and USBs everywhere, lots of lighting. Come see this unit at Pine Acres RV, and this one will wow you. Exit 11, Pine Acres.